One of the most exciting features about owning a Stryker boat is our relationship with Scotty products. And who Scotty is Scotty is one of the largest fishing products manufacturers in the world. And they are based out of Victoria, which is about 30 minutes from us. So it's exciting to work with another local BC company. Some of the products that Scotty offers are fishing rod holders, downriggers, bait boards, cup holders, prawn pullers, and various other accessories that really complete your day out on the water. So having an inflatable boat, one of the issues that you will find with most boats is there's nowhere to put any of these products. So with your Stryker, you're gonna have 5 to 8 Scotty 341 bases mounted onto the hull factory. And what that allows you to do is a direct plug and play 35 different Scotty accessories.